Hey there, and welcome. If you're feeling down or struggling right now, I just want you to know you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about how to practice self compassion when you're feeling at your lowest. It's so easy to be hard on ourselves when things aren't going well, but practicing self compassion can make all the difference. Let's take a moment to explore how we can be kind to ourselves during tough times. First, let's understand what self compassion really means. Self-compassion is about treating yourself with the same care and understanding that you would offer to a close friend when they're struggling. Instead of being self-critical, you practice patience and kindness with yourself. When we're down, it's easy to fall into negative self-talk, but self-compassion encourages us to acknowledge our pain without judgment and to respond with warmth and support. The first step in practicing self-compassion is simply acknowledging how you're feeling. When you're down, it can be tempting to ignore or push away your emotions, but giving yourself permission to feel what you're feeling is so important. Take a deep breath. Recognize that it's okay to feel sad, frustrated, or overwhelmed. You don't need to have everything figured out. It's okay to not be okay sometimes. You are human. Your feelings are valid. Next, imagine if a friend was feeling the same way. What would you say to them? Would you tell them, "You're not good enough," or "Why can't you just get it together?" Of course not. You would say something like, "I'm sorry you're feeling this way. It's okay to take a break. You're doing your best." Now ask yourself, why can't you speak to yourself the same way? When you catch yourself being hard on yourself, try to shift your words. Instead of, "I can't do this," say, "This is hard, but I can take it one step at a time." Speak with kindness and understanding to yourself. You deserve the same compassion you would give to a friend. Another powerful way to practice self-compassion is through self-soothing. When you're feeling low, taking small steps to comfort yourself can be incredibly healing. Try wrapping yourself in a warm blanket, sipping a cup of tea, or listening to your favorite calming music. Maybe it's a comforting movie or spending time in nature. Think about what makes you feel safe, comforted, and cared for. This is your way of nurturing your emotional self. It doesn't have to be anything grand, just small acts that show yourself that you're worth taking care of. Another key part of self-compassion is mindfulness, the practice of being present with your emotions without judgment. When you're feeling down, it's easy to spiral into overthinking and worry about the future. Mindfulness helps you ground yourself in the present moment. Take a few minutes to just breathe. Notice what's around you, the sounds, the sensations in your body, the thoughts passing through your mind. Don't try to change them, just observe. By being present, you give yourself space to experience your emotions fully, without the added layer of judgment or criticism. And lastly, remember that you're not alone. We all experience tough times, and it's important to remind yourself that everyone struggles from time to time. Self-compassion means recognizing that your pain is part of the shared human experience. You don't have to face this alone, even if it feels like it sometimes. Reaching out to someone, whether a friend, family member, or even a therapist, can help you feel supported. You deserve to have people who listen to you and help carry some of that weight. So, if you're feeling down today, be gentle with yourself. Remember that you deserve the same kindness you give to others. Practice acknowledging your feelings, speaking to yourself kindly, soothing your soul, being mindful, and reaching out when needed. Take it one step at a time. You are worthy of love, compassion, and care, especially from yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, you're never alone, and kindness starts with you.